How are you? I hope you all are good and safe at your homes. And I'm also fine. So let's start our English class. Children, today I'll explain you two exercises. Match the rhyming words, and our second exercise is fill up the missing words. Children, we have already read the words of sounds of I. Okay? See in this book. Here is exercise. Match the rhyming words. Column A, column B. Here are some words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here are some words. You have to match with its sound, with its rhyming word. First has done for you. See here. F-I-G. Fig. We read with phonetics. Fig. Fig. What is the rhyming word of fig? Vig. Wig. Okay, children. This exercise I have done on the board. See here. Fig. Fig. Vig. Wig. You have to match with its rhyming words. Okay, children. Second word is kid. Kid. What is the rhyming word of kid? See all the words. Yes, this is bid. So we match with its rhyming word. Kid, bid. Okay. See the next spelling. K-I-N-G. King. Okay. King. See the words. What is the rhyming word of king? Yes, this is. So we have to match it. Read it. V-I-N-G. Wing. Okay. King. Wing. Next spelling. B-I-T-A. Bite. Okay. We will read this. Bite. What is the rhyming word of bite? See the words. See this word. S-I-T-A. Sight. We will read this. Sight. We have to match it. Bite. Sight. Okay, children. See the next word. Tip. 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 What is the rhyming word of tip? Yes, this is. We have to match it. Lip. Lip. Tip. Lip. Okay, children. See the last word. Win. Win. What is the rhyming word of win? This word is. So we have to match it. Win. Fin. Okay. We will read again. Fig. Wig. Kid. Bid. King. Wing. Bite. Sight. Tip. Lip. Win. Fin. Okay, children. See the next exercise. Here is the exercise. Fill up the missing words. See in this book. Fill in the missing letters with the help of the pictures. Here are some pictures and some missing words. What is this? Which picture is this? See? Yes. This is fish. Okay. What is the spelling of fish? Here is F and here is SH. Which letter is missing? I. Okay. We will write here I. Fur, E, sir, her, fish. We will read this word fish. Fish. Second. This is lips. Okay. What is this? This is lips. La, missing letter, blank. Pa, sa. Which letter is missing? I. Okay. So, we have to write here I. La, E, pa, sa, lips. Lips. See here. Next. What is this? This picture is zip. Okay. What is the spelling of zip? Z, missing letter, and pa. So, we have to write here I. What is the spelling of zip? Z, E, pa. Zip. Okay. See the next picture. This is king. Yes. Okay. Ka, blank, na, ga. King. Which letter is missing? We have to write here I in the blank. Okay, children. So, we will write this ka, I, na, ga, king. King. Okay. Number 5. These both words are not in your books. Ba, blank, ga. Which letter will come here? I. What is the spelling? Ba, I, ga. Big. Big. Okay. Next. Here is fa, letter F, blank, letter G, ga. Okay. Which letter will come here? I, missing letter. Fa, I, ga, fig. Okay, children? Fig. We will read again these words. Fa, I, sa, ha. Fish. La, I, pa, sa. Lips. Z, I, pa, zip. Ka, I, na, ga, king. Ba, I, ga, big. Fa, I, ga, fig. Okay, children? So, we will close our English class. See you in the next class. Okay, bye bye, children.